President Trump took to social media this morning to warn nations not to back off the trade deals that they agreed to last year, even though the legal authority for U.S. tariffs has been stripped away by that Supreme Court decision. The president wrote, "Any country that wants to, quote, play games with the ridiculous Supreme Court decision, especially those that have ripped off the USA for years and even decades, will be met with a much higher tariff and worse than that which they just recently agreed to. Buyer beware." Now, that post coming after Europe warned over the weekend that trade deals with the United States could be at risk. Bernd Lang, chair of the European Parliament's Committee on the International Trade, called it pure tariff chaos from the U.S. administration. And he wrote on social media, "No one can make sense of it anymore, only open questions and growing uncertainty for the EU and other U.S. trading partners." Now, the EU Parliament postponed a vote that was scheduled for this week on the EU trade deal. The EU, remember, had been debating proposals that would codify that trade agreement with the U.S., and a vote was scheduled for Tuesday. That will now be put off. Now it's not clear when, if ever, that agreement will be finalized. A White House official told CNBC on Friday, though, that the U.S. expects all countries to uphold their end of the agreements with the U.S. despite that tariff uncertainty. Guys, back over to you.